Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. In this episode we have a new product for the RAV4, so let me show you. If you guys don't know, I have a 2021 Toyota RAV4 XLE and we have a new wheel cover. Actually looks pretty nice. All this work was done by my wife, so shout out to my wife. She's really good at this. I'm not a tailor, so she did all this work. If you follow the instructions on the package, you need to start at the letter. You have to start at the letter either here, here, or here, but it's gonna be 3 pieces. So she did first this side, then this side. At the end, she finished it with this one. It looks pretty good. The steering wheel feels really solid now. It feels thicker, and I'm really pleased with the results. Actually, for this wheel cover, you have to put glue. We decided not to do it. It has some tape that you have to put on, double-sided tape. You have to put all the way around. It shows on the instructions. Just follow the instructions and you should be good. In this case, we didn't put any of the adhesive, and turned out really well. It doesn't move around. It's really tight to the steering wheel. So if you have experience doing this, probably you're gonna be really fine doing it. It took my wife around 1 hour and 45 minutes to finish this. In my case, if I try to do this, probably it will take like 6 hours because I have no idea on how to do this. She made it look really easy and simple. This is the back of the steering wheel. I'm gonna put a link in the description with the video where they show how to put the glue and how to put all the leather inside all this area right here, and on the back as well. So guys, link is gonna be in the description for this wheel cover. Thanks for watching.